So with word problems, the important thing with the word problems are to call something x, okay? And if there's two variables, you call it x and y, okay? So you have to decide what's the number you want to find, and then you can say let this number be x and let the other number be y if there's two unknowns. Like in this case, the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 13. And the product of the digits is 36. Determine which two numbers fit this description. So there's two numbers. They say that the sum of the two numbers is 13. So when you add, sum means that when you add the two numbers, you get 13. And the product is 36. Okay? So we got a two-digit number, and we need to figure out. So you can say let the one number be x. Okay? And then we're going to say let the other number be y, and when we add them, okay, it says you must get 13. Okay, the sum of the two numbers is 13, and the product, x times y, is 36. So there are two different numbers, that's why we call it x and y. Two different numbers, the sum of them is 13, the product of them is 36. Okay, now, after we wrote down our two equations, that's the important part, that's the difficult part, finding the two equations. Now we need to solve, but that's the easy part, because you guys know the maths by now. So obviously with this one, we can take the y over, and we can say therefore x is equal to 13 minus y, okay? And then we can substitute, and we can say, okay, so let's take the 13 minus y now, and use simultaneous equations, and we know how. We put that in the place of x. Okay? So then we're going to have 13 minus y times y equal to 36. And then we can multiply it in 13y minus y squared. Take the 36 over, minus 36 equal to 0. And then just change the signs. So y squared minus 13y plus 36 equal to 0. And then we can factorize. Y minus 9. Y minus 4, which therefore means that y must be equal to 9 or y must be equal to 4. So obviously it can't be both, but we need the sum of two numbers to be 30. So if we say let y be 9, then obviously x must be 4. Okay, here you can see 13 minus 9 gives you 4. So we can say, but remember the question said in the beginning, the question said the sum of the digits of a two-digit number. Think about that, the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 30. So in the beginning they wanted you to know what is that two-digit number. So the two-digit number will either be 9, 4, that's the one option, make y 9, then x is 4, or it will be 4, 9. Make the x 4, you can make the y 4 and the x 9, or you can make the y 9 and the x 4, but that's going to be your two-digit number, 94 or 49. Okay, but it starts by writing down an equation and solving it and then finding your two variables. Okay, so you could have ended by saying x is 9, y is 4, but they actually said it must be a two-digit number. So the two-digit number will be 94 or 49. Okay.